Hi, this is YLog 2nd grade lesson 25, and today we're gonna start with coins. Count and write down how much you have, and then write how much more you need to buy each item. So over here is what you have, and over here is how much you need. So what you have, we are first gonna write down how much we have, so we're gonna add up all of these. So we have a quarter and a quarter, so a quarter is 25 cents, right? So let's put 25 over here. So that's 25, and this is 25. And then we have a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent, right? So we're gonna write 1, that's also 1, that's 1. And then now here we have a nickel, and a nickel is 5 cents, right? So we're gonna put 5. And now we have to add up all these to find the total, right? So we're going to start with 25 plus 25. So 25 plus 25. So we're going to start with the ones place always. 5 plus 5 is 10. And instead of writing 10 like that, we're going to write the 1 up above. And now we add 1 and 2 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 5, right? So we put 5. So that would be 50. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add 4 to 50. And that would be 54, right? And then now we have to add 5. So we do 54 plus 5. When we count on or use addition like that, we're going to get 59. So right now we have 59 cents. Now, how much more do you need to buy an ice cream that costs $1? So $1 is the same thing as 100 cents. Okay, so, and right now we have 59 cents. So what we have to do is 100 minus 59. So we're going to put 100 minus 59. Again, we start with the ones place. And we can't do 0 minus 9, right? So we're going to have to borrow it from the tens place, but the tens place is also a 0. So we're going to borrow it from the hundreds place. So this one is 9. This one turns into a 9. And over here, since we borrowed it, this 0 over here is going to become a 10 because we borrowed it. So that's a 10 now. Okay, so 10 minus 9 is 1. So we put 1. And then now here we have 9 minus 5, which is 4. So the answer is 41 cents. Okay, we do the same thing for number 2 and 3. And let's move on to the next page. Using money. Use the table to solve how many coins are needed to buy each sticker in the simplest way. So we have dinosaur, fairy, car, and monkey stickers. And here are the prices. So we're going to start with number 1. To buy 1 monkey sticker and 1 fairy sticker, you need. So we're going to have to add it, right? So a monkey is 36 and fairy is 29. So we're going to add up the two numbers. So we do 36 plus 29. Start with the ones place. 6 plus 9 is 15, so we put 5 and put this one on top over here. We do 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, so that's 65, right? And now we have to figure out how many coins we need so to make 65, right? We're going to start with the biggest one over here. So we're gonna, if you use 2 quarters, that makes it 50 cents, right? So if we subtract 25, if you use a quarter, that's 0, and 6 minus 2 is 4, that's 40. So we have 1 quarter right now. We used 1 quarter, and then we can use another quarter, right? So 0 minus 5, we have to borrow 1 10. from the tens place, so that becomes a 3, and this is now a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So that's another quarter that we used, so that's 2. And now 15, we can use a dime, right? So 5 minus 0 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 1. So we used 1 dime, and then we have 5 cents left, which is going to be 1 nickel. So we aren't going to use any pennies. We're going to use a dime, a nickel, and 2 quarters. Okay. Word problems. Catherine loves to paint. She has 67 paintings. Marcus, who is Catherine's friend, has 45 paintings. How many paintings do they have in all? So they're asking how many they have in all, which means that we're going to add the 2 number of paintings, right? So 67 plus 45. We do 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. We put 2. And the 1 goes up. Now we have 1 plus 6, which is 7, plus 4 is 11. But we can also do it like this first, which is 10 plus 1 is 11. So that would be 111 paintings. Paintings. Okay. And then next one, Julie wants to buy 3 apples, 1 orange, 2 pineapples at the grocery store. If an apple costs $2, an orange costs $1, and a pineapple costs $4, how much money does Julie need? So 3 apples, and an apple costs $2. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 for the apple. And an orange costs $1, and we have 1 orange, so that would be 1. And we have 2 pineapples, and each pineapple costs $4, so we're going to put 4 plus 4, and we're going to add up all these numbers to find the total.